Hi there, this is Miss Paulson, and today I will talk you through this quiz. Starting at the very beginning, start by typing in your name. Please write your first name. My first name is Casey, and then your last name. Mine is Paulson. Now make sure, don't write Casey Paulson on your test. Instead, write your first and last name. Moving on, we are going to start with question 1. It says, question 1, click on the quarter note. One of these is a quarter note. Whichever one you think is a quarter note, you would click on the circle you see there. Click on one of those options for the quarter note. Question 2. Click on the 2/8 notes. One of these is 2/8 notes. Click on the option that you believe is 2/8 notes. Moving on to question 3. Question 3, click on the quarter rest. One of these options is a quarter rest. Click on the circle that you believe is the quarter rest. Moving on. Question 4. Click on the half note. One of these is a half note. Click on the answer that is a half note. Excellent. We are moving on to question 5. Question 5. You're going to see 3 examples. One says A, one says B, and one says C. Right now, I have a recorder. It sounds like this. I am going to play one of these examples. You need to listen and click on the one that you think I'm playing. I will play it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Listen again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Last time. Check your work. Moving on to question 6. Question 6, same thing. There are 3 examples. Please click on the one that you hear me play. I will play it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can't remember if I played it 4 times, so here it is one more time. Select an answer. Moving on to question 7. Question 7. Click on the example that I play. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here it is again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 3, 4. Last time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Click on the example that you think I played. And this is our last question, question 8. Click on the example that I play. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. After you select one of these, you are going to click Submit. After you click Submit, it will wrap you up. Just so you know though, if you do not click an answer for each one, then it won't let you finish it. So for instance, if you didn't click on an option on question 7, it won't work. So please make sure you have an answer for each one. That's it.